Personal finance is a crucial aspect of our lives that often goes overlooked, yet it plays a significant role in shaping our financial future. Understanding the various factors that can negatively impact our financial health is essential, as these financial villains can derail our plans and lead to long-term consequences. By identifying and addressing these villains, we can take proactive steps to safeguard our financial well-being. In this video, we will delve into 3 main financial villains that pose a threat to our financial stability: debt, poor budgeting, and lack of financial education. Each of these villains can create significant obstacles on the path to achieving financial security and independence. Debt is perhaps the most notorious of these villains. It can accumulate quickly and become overwhelming, leading to stress and anxiety. Many individuals find themselves trapped in a cycle of borrowing, often due to unexpected expenses or lifestyle inflation. Understanding how debt works, including interest rates and repayment terms, is vital for anyone looking to regain control over their finances. By recognizing the dangers of excessive debt, viewers can learn strategies to manage and reduce it effectively, paving the way for a healthier financial future. The second villain we will discuss is poor budgeting. Without a clear budget, it's easy to lose track of spending and fall into financial disarray. A budget serves as a roadmap for our finances, helping us allocate resources wisely and prioritize our needs. Many people underestimate the importance of creating and sticking to a budget, which can lead to overspending and financial instability. By highlighting the significance of budgeting, we aim to empower viewers to take charge of their financial situation and make informed decisions that align with their goals. Lastly, we will address the lack of financial education, which can be a significant barrier to achieving financial success. Many individuals are not taught essential financial concepts in school, leaving them ill-equipped to navigate the complexities of personal finance. This lack of knowledge can lead to poor decision-making and missed opportunities for growth. By emphasizing the importance of financial literacy, we hope to inspire viewers to seek out resources and educate themselves on topics such as investing, saving, and retirement planning. In conclusion, understanding these financial villains is crucial for anyone looking to improve their financial well-being. By recognizing the threats posed by debt, poor budgeting, and a lack of financial education, viewers can take actionable steps to combat these issues and build a more secure financial future. Join us as we explore these topics in depth and equip ourselves with the knowledge needed to conquer the villains of personal finance. The credit card industry has a profound negative impact on personal finance, often leading individuals into a cycle of debt that can be difficult to escape. One of the primary ways credit card companies exert their influence is by targeting individuals without proper vetting. Many consumers, particularly those who may not have a strong understanding of financial management, are bombarded with enticing offers and promotional rates. These companies often market their products aggressively, appealing to emotions rather than rational decision-making. As a result, individuals may find themselves signing up for credit cards without fully understanding the terms, interest rates, or potential fees involved. This lack of proper vetting can lead to financial decisions that are not in the best interest of the consumer, setting the stage for future financial struggles. The psychological effects of using credit cards compared to debit cards also play a significant role in how individuals manage their finances. Credit cards can create a sense of detachment from spending, as consumers are not physically handing over cash. This can lead to overspending, as the immediate consequences of a purchase are not felt in the same way as they would be with cash or debit transactions. The ease of swiping a card can encourage impulsive buying behaviors, leading individuals to accumulate debt without fully realizing the implications. In contrast, using debit cards or cash often promotes a more mindful approach to spending, as individuals are more aware of their available funds and the impact of their purchases on their overall financial situation. This psychological disconnect can contribute to a cycle of debt that is hard to break. Living with credit card debt can have long-term consequences that extend beyond just financial strain. The burden of high interest rates can lead to a situation where individuals are paying significantly more than the original purchase price over time. This can hinder their ability to save for future goals, such as buying a home or planning for retirement. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my next video for more financial tips.